Hello dear students, welcome back to the EVS class. Dear students, in the previous video class we were studying about the lesson being safe. Yes, what all we learned in the previous video class, some of the safety rules which we have to follow when we are at a home and when we are on the road. Okay, today in this video class let us study about some of the safety rules when you are traveling in a vehicle. What we are going to study today? We are going to study safety rules which we have to follow when we are traveling in a vehicle. Okay, so let us see the first point here. Okay, never put your hand or head out of moving vehicle. See dear students, you should not put your hand or head outside of a moving vehicle. Okay, whenever the vehicle is moving, you should not put your hand and head outside. Why? Because vehicles passing by may you hit you. See, whichever the vehicles will be passing beside you, side of you, it may hit your hand or head. Then what will happen? Then the accident will takes place. So what you should not do? Never put your hand or head out of a moving vehicle. You should not put your hand and head outside of the vehicle when vehicle is moving. Okay, because the one side of vehicle is traveling, it may hit you. Okay, the second point here is always get in and get off bus only at a bus stop. Dear students, you should get inside bus only in the bus stop only. And if you want to come out of the bus, then where bus stop will be there, that time only you have to get off. Okay, when bus will stop, at that time only you have to get in and get off from a bus here. Okay, the third point here is get off a moving vehicle only after it stops. See dear students, when you should come out of a vehicle, when it will stop completely. Okay, if it is moving, then you should not get off here. If you want to get down, then when the vehicle should stop completely here. Okay, when you have to get off, when vehicle will stop here, after it stop completely, then you can get off from a vehicle. So the third point here is a get off a moving vehicle only after it stops. When it stops, then only you can get off. Okay, then at the last point, do not shout or disturb the driver while he or she is driving. See dear students, whenever you are going in a vehicle, if your any driver is driving the vehicle, okay, you should not disturb them. You should not shout. You should not make a noise. Okay, what you should do? You should sit silently in a vehicle and you have to travel. First point, you should not put your hand and head outside of a moving vehicle. The second point here is, okay, you should get in and get off only at the bus stop. Then the third point is get off of a moving vehicle only after it stops. Okay, when the vehicle will stop, that time you have to get off. And you should not disturb to the driver. Okay, nothing but you should not make a noise in a vehicle. You should sit quietly. Whenever they are driving, you should not disturb them. Okay, I hope you have understood these points. The next concept here is while riding a bicycle. Whenever you are riding a bicycle, yes, everyone will likes bicycle very much. Yes, can you see the picture here? A boy is riding a bicycle. Yes, even y'all will like bicycle very much, which is your favorite. Yes, then whenever you are riding a bicycle, what are the safety measures you have to take? Let us see here now. So riding a bicycle is a fun. Yes, by riding a bicycle, what you will get? You will get a fun here. Yes, dear students, by riding a bicycle, you will get a fun here. but you must not ride it on a busy road. Nothing but if the road is busy, nothing but many vehicles are traveling on the road, at that time you should not ride a cycle here. Okay, keep to the left of the road here. Always you have to ride your bicycle where? Left side. Okay, which side? Left side you have to ride your bicycle here. Keep to the left side of the road. Always wear a bicycle helmet. Can you see, dear students, a boy has wore a helmet here? Yes. Without helmet you should not ride a bicycle. See here on his head he has wore his helmet here. Why we have to wear a helmet whenever you are riding bicycle? Because if you fall down, then your head will not get any here injury. Okay, always you have to wear what? You have to wear a helmet here whenever you are cycling. First point, what you have to do? You have to ride your bicycle left side of the road here. Remember, keep to the left side of the road here, and always you have to wear a what? Helmet while riding a bicycle. The next point, do not carry anything heavy on your bicycle. Yes, dear students, whenever you are riding a bicycle, you should not carry any heavy things. Okay, only you should sit on the bicycle and you have to ride your bicycle. So, first thing, wear a helmet properly and don't carry any heavy objects. Okay, don't carry any heavy objects on your bicycle. Hold the handlebar firmly with the both hands. Can you see a boy is holding his handle with his both hands? Yes, how you have to sit? Have to sit comfortably with your both the hands. Where it should be? Okay, it should be on the handle. Hold the handle bar firmly. Nothing but properly you have to hold the handle here with both the hands, not only one hand. You have to use both the hands for cycling. Do not ever let go of the handlebars while riding. Dear students, you should not leave your hands whenever you are cycling. Whenever you are riding a bicycle, your hand should be where? Your hand should be on the handles only. So first thing, remember, yes, for fun purpose you all will be playing a bicycle here. So what you have to do? You have to put a helmet and you should not carry any heavy objects on your bicycle. And always left side you have to ride your bicycle. Where? Left side of a road. Okay, and whenever you are you are riding a bicycle, your both the hands should be firmly hold to where? To the. So you have to follow all these what here rules whenever you are riding a bicycle. What you have to do, dear students? Can you tell once again here? Yes, can I repeat once again? First you have to ride your bicycle with wearing a helmet. You all will get a bicycle helmets like this. So you have to wear your bicycle helmets properly and you have to ride your bicycle where left side of the road. And whenever you're riding a bicycle, you should not carry any heavy things on your bicycle. And where you have to hold your handles, yes, where you have to hold your hands to the handle only, not with a one hand. Both the hands should be hold to the handle here. And you should not leave your hand whenever you are riding a bicycle. So these are the some of the safety measures you have to take when you are riding a bicycle. So today what we all learned, dear students, can you tell? Today we studied about what we studied. We studied some of the safety measures whenever you are traveling in a vehicle. And whenever you are riding a bicycle, what are the safety measures we have to take? These all some of the points we studied today in this video class. So dear students, what you have to do today, how much I taught? Just you read and you choose some of the difficult words. Every time I used to give some of the difficult words. So what you have to do in your page number 172 and 173, today whatever concept I taught is there. First you sit and read all the points and choose some difficult words and practice those. Okay, in the next video class again we'll continue with this lesson. Till that, dear students, study well. Have a nice day. Thank you.